Jay Sharma is saying, sir, I have enrolled to this batch, sir. For topics mentioned in daily schedule, do we need to do questions from the study room as well? As a beginner, how shall I target the daily targets? Cause I know nothing, please guide. So what we tell our crack students is very simple. The most important thing is sticking to the daily schedule. So there are 3 parts. Stick to the daily schedule, watch the concept videos. At the end of every concept video, we give you a test, take those tests. That is a must for everybody. Anybody who is enrolled to the course, who wants to make the best use of the course, have to stick to that schedule. Now, once you are done with that schedule, suppose you are able to get say 3 or 4 hours every day, you are getting more time than most people. And you have more time, what do you do next? Then I would tell you to take the daily targets. Even if you're not understanding it, the point is, what I believe is, if you are reading a quant question, if you are reading a maths question, out of say 10 questions, even if you are a complete beginner, you will understand at least 5. You might not be able to solve them, but you will understand what is being asked. You know that, okay, there is a circle and somebody drew a line, and then you are asked to calculate the length of the line. You know that. You understand what is being asked, you just don't know how to solve it. You don't know the theorem that is useful to solve it, but at least you understand it. Now try to solve it on your own. Probably you won't make much of a progress, but at least try on your own, or at least build some sort of an intuition as to what that percentage will be, or what that number will be, or what is the ratio of that line to the, say, the radius of the circle. Something like that, try to think. The reason I want you to put in the effort is because after you put in the effort, if you look at the explanation, then you'll remember the explanation much longer. If you feel that, okay, this is a very difficult question, anyways, I haven't done geometry, anyways, I'm not sure about circles, then I'll just go ahead and look at the solution. You'll forget the solution within 2 days. If you put in 15 minutes in trying to solve that question, then you look at the explanation, you will remember that explanation for at least a couple of months. So that is why I always tell you, for quant, LRDA and verbal, put in the effort, try to solve it on your own for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then look at the solution. That is what you should do even in daily targets. Even if you feel I haven't completed the syllabus, I've just started my preparation. Even then I would tell you, put in the effort in trying to solve the daily targets. So first is batch schedule, batch tasks, batch assignments. They are most important. If you find more time, do the daily targets. If you find more time, then go to the study room. And try to use these 3 across the week, because the batch schedule is busy only from Monday to Friday. Over the weekend, we ask you mostly to take mocks or sectionals. So if you're not having any backlogs during the batch schedule, over the weekend, you can do your daily targets or your study room.